providing this 119990 cocktail table from Fixture Displays. These are all the components. You have two metal hubs that are able to rotate the four legs and flatten that during storage. These two hubs are identical. You have one hardware pack, four identical legs, and one tabletop. In this video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to assemble. First, we're going to put one of the hubs on the leg by matching up the hole positions of the tube and one of the fixed positions of this hub. You see, we just flipped away the flexible portion away, so we can focus on the fixed position first. A machine screw goes through the tube and go into the hub and tighten with that Allen wrench. Likewise, the fixed position of the wheel fasten to the tube. Now we're getting ready to install the second leg. We have the flexible portion all facing up. Now we're going to fasten the legs, the second leg, to the flexible portion of this wheel. And once we've done that, you'll see that flips, and that's how they fold. We're going to flip the entire unit to assemble the third leg to the fixed position. And then the final leg on the flexible wheel. At this time, we're going to install the levelers. The levelers help you level the table, especially good for uneven surfaces, and also help elevate your table away from the ground. We're now going to set this on the floor and work on the tabletop. The clamps use one screw to fasten to tabletop. Now, in the beginning, your orientation of this clamp may not be perfect, so don't fasten all the way down yet. Leave a little bit to a final fastening once you have a pretty good idea what the position is going to be. You could lay the tabletop on the table and bring the leg to it. That's one way of doing it once you know what you're doing. Or you can do like this video show. Work on one clamp at a time, and then this is how you close it. To open this up, you would push the clamp up and then flip that open. Now you can take the tabletop away for storage and fold up the legs. As you can see, it takes very little space, especially when you have multiple tables. Dimensions of this unit, it's 36 inches left to right and front to back. To be precise, it's 36.3. Overall height is 42.5 inches. The diameter of the tabletop is 31.5 inches. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedispl.com. You can also text message us 630-296-4190. We now put this table on a spinner. The spinner is not part of the purchase. We custom make all type of products, metal, wood, acrylic. If you have a project you wish us to custom make, we love the opportunity to work for you. While on Fixture Displays, feel free to browse many other products and services we have to offer. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember to leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.